So Facebook Lives are key. I did one about our son because people want to know you're real. So I don't care what kind of income that you earn or what your title is in your company. They want to know you're real, and when you get cut, you bleed. So I talked about you're not a tree. That video went viral. I had people stopping me at church, people stopping me in the middle of checking out at the grocery store, women coming up and crying because their kids struggled with the same thing. I made a decision to yank him out of school and put him in a different one, and I was so glad that I did, but you never will understand the ripple that you have with this. Here's the Hit 'em Up app. I gave you a little bit of what that looks like. You can have events that have maybe nothing to do with what it is. It was awesome because I helped out a local company, and I also provided value, and we helped, I think, 5 people open accounts. It was awesome. Okay, here's one that I did on a digital business card. Inside of your iPhone, at the very top of your contact list, that's your digital business card. If you can see, it had crazy amount of views on it. People are like, oh my gosh, I never knew that existed. Part of being a leader is learning something and turning around and regurgitating it and sharing it back out. I was so excited about this, and then really showing up on your Facebook wall regularly. That's congruent to who you are, what you're a part of, and the company that you stand for. It means everything to be congruent to me and to be an ambassador, not only for this industry, but our company. This is another one for the Slide Dial. Not all the time will you have time to actually get someone on the phone. So Slide Dial is an app that allows you to speak out, really do a touch point with someone. And here's a script that we were hosting an event. And you can leave them a message. It rings directly through to their answering machine, which is pretty awesome. We were given a referral when we were in California. We were on vacation, and instead of texting back, hey, we're so excited to get you started, I did a video for him. And not only did I do a video, I edified the person who referred over, and he immediately made the connection, and Jeremy and I met with him 2 days after we got back. He's having stellar results, and he felt so loved and honored because of this, and that was the script that I said to him.